Hi, I'm Jason. In this video, I'll be telling you all about the different air hygiene services we offer. At Jasun, we specialise in air and water hygiene services, and today I'd like to focus on it. Our range of professional services cover all aspects of air hygiene, including ductwork cleaning, to maintain air quality and the respiratory health of people in your organisation, fire damper testing, to ensure optimum performance and legal compliance, safeguarding both lives and property. Kitchen extract cleaning, to help remove the build-up of both airborne grease, smoke and odours created when cooking, to reduce fire risk and comply with the Food Safety and Hygiene Act. The professional fitting of air filters, manufactured by us to provide clean filtered air. And finally, local exhaust ventilation, or LEV, testing to ensure the extracts that control contaminants such as dust, fumes or gases are effective and compliant. Our in-house teams are highly trained and dedicated to giving you a breath of fresh air.